Welcome again, guys. Now this evening we'll be making a sweet dessert, carrot muffin. Let's get straight into it. Now today I'm using the blender method. Put it on the grate option and I let it run for about 60 seconds. This is about 2 cups of carrots, and as you can see it is already immersed in liquid. Over here I have 4 cups of flour, 3 eggs, and I have about 3 tablespoons of margarine, about ½ cup of butter, and of course I have my vanilla, rose water, nutmeg, cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going to first add my spices to my flour. Yes, so in goes my spices. Just combine. I move on to my eggs. I have 3 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and whisk up my eggs. Okay, so this is enough. The next step is to go ahead and melt my butter. So I'm going to put the butter in the microwave for about, say, 30 seconds. The butter is completely melted, and I'm going to add around 20 milliliters of vegetable oil to my butter. Now the butter and oil we're going to put in our carrot. We're then going to go ahead and we're going to also put our eggs, and this is about ½ cup of brown sugar. We're going to go ahead and add that as well. Mix all of this in. I am also adding some vanilla extracts, and this is my favorite brand, Benjamin's. I'm going to go ahead and I'm adding about 10 milliliters. I'm also going to be adding some rose water, and I'll be adding around 5 milliliters of rose water extract. Yes. So here we go, guys. Stir. Remember, we have added the sugar, and we want to mix our sugar granules out. Yes. Add my dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and I'm going to fold this in. Just go like this in my margarine with my brush, and then I will go ahead and apply it to the sides and the bottom of my muffin tin. So we'll go ahead. Let's add our mixture to the tin. They are going to increase in size. Yes, so we want to leave some space at the top, right? Just seeing if I can spread it in the pan. Yeah, so I spread it in the pan. Now guys, I had gone ahead and I had preheated my oven to 350 degrees. They're going to be baking for about 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Celsius. Our carrot muffins are out of the oven. Let's see what we have. I have my knife, and I'm just going around the edge here. Yes, just trying to lift out the muffin. Here it is, guys. And I'm just going to go ahead and plate my muffin like this. Have a muffin with your coffee in the morning, in the evening. Have it as a snack, breakfast, lunch, or even a light supper. Until next time, walk good and take care of yourself. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in another video.